What's up, guys? Welcome back to Lion Mark TV Market with another exciting, delighting, and much interesting video here on the channel. So this one is actually a very beautiful one and a good one from the presidential rally of P2B in Warri, yes, in Delta State. And yeah, the governor of the state actually did not give them a good place, but he gave them one abandoned site like that they had to, put everything in place. The youth had to come together, work in team, and arrange the place for the campaign today. Well, P2B arrived a little bit late than the scheduled time, but we all know how the Nigerian road network is and the situation on ground. So this is the highlight, the entire speech, about 6 minutes, the address he gave there in 2023. Somebody actually said that if P2B do not win this election, he would just advise that Nigerians should be divided. Everybody should just go their separate ways. I don't know. Let me hear your thoughts in the comment section. What do you think about this 2023 presidential election? A lot is going on in Nigeria. A lot of people are really fed up. Your thoughts really count. Enjoy the video, guys.
We want to make sure there's law and order in Nigeria. We want to move Nigeria from consumption to
refinery, not the work.
Federal government of Nigeria.
Refinery, not the work.
We'll make sure we bring back life from here to Onitsha. Now 1 hour. The rest are sure you cannot do for us. We will change here. Warri will come back to life. Semah will come back to life. This will not be fake promise. The president dead near you. So let me know where we're going to look. I'm here. I'm making commitments. I want you to hold me responsible. will not be in Abuja. I'll visit here as president. When I come back, you'll be proud that you voted somebody who is going to care about you. Everyone wants. Go out and vote. Labour all the way. Labour all the way. Don't allow them. Stay there, vote, convince your neighbors. Tell them these people have been cheating us in. We have to stop. Labour body! Labour body! Mama, Papa, Pikin! They need the woman being up. You don't put umbrella. Broom. Now, vote for woman being. Thank you and God bless you.